back to my YouTube channel. So today I have brought to a new haul, that is Nykaa haul. Okay, so if you like the video, please like the video and please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, please like my videos and please subscribe to my channel. If you want more beauty videos and you want more makeup makeup tutorials, and if you want more hauls, so please subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And today I'm going to share with you a beautiful Nykaa haul. Okay, I have brought it from recent sale. Okay, so I have brought some products, and those are only Lakme. To make one brand video, I have make all these things. Okay, so you can see my look. It's a simple and beautiful look. Okay, so if you like this lipstick and whatever her product I have used in this next video, I mean makeup tutorial video, I have used this products itself, so you can see. Okay, this is really beautiful one. Okay, so we will start with the video. So first here I have brought this Lakme. This is the Lakme bridal kit. Okay, this is the Lakme. As you can see, this is the Lakme bridal kit, and you will get this for 1000 rupees in Nykaa, and you will get in this pack you will get only these two. As you can see, one is the eyeliner, as I'm wearing right here, and second one is this eyeshadow palette. This is in the shade wait, I will tell you. This is in the shade Tanjori Rush. As you can see here, these have a beautiful purple, green sort of color, and yellow color, and brownish color. I will show you some swatches on my hand. Okay, you will get only these two in this I mean bridal kit. As you can see, so this is the packaging. This is eyeliner. This is in the shade I will tell you after opening this. Okay, so this is what the eyeshadow looks like. I will show you some swatches of this. Okay, this is the eyeliner. I'm opening it for you. So if you purchase anything from Lakme, you will get this kind of mark. As you can see here, any kind of makeup you buy from Lakme, you will get this sort of symbol. Okay, and this is very beautiful shade I have on my eyes today. I will show you. Okay, see how glossy and shiny it is. Okay, this liquid gold, this shade name is liquid gold, as it is written over here. You cannot find it. Okay, you have it has not written on this packaging or on this packaging. It is written on the bottom side of the eyeliner. Okay, I will show you the shade now. So this is the one. Okay, as you can see the shine, this is really pretty color. It doesn't show the color when you apply on the hand, it shows only on the eyes. This is really beautiful color. As you can see, I have made the eye makeup look. I have used this one, and this has a fine brush you can wear. See, you can see. Okay, this is the beautiful shade. This is liquid, and this is kind of the same color from here, as you can see, but this has written over here as the liquid lipstick, I mean liquid gold, but it's really beautiful golden color. Okay, if you want this products, I will share the link in the description box. Okay, and it's cost around 450 rupees. Okay, and you will get 4.5 ml. Okay, and I will show you the second one. You will get this kind of packaging on this eyeshadow palette, and you will get only four shades. If you buy together, you will get these two around 1000 rupees, but if you buy these individually, you will get only these four shades for 600 rupees, and this is 650 rupees, okay, as it written over here, and it is only 7 grams. I will show you the shade. You will get tiny brush like this, so sorry, tiny brush like this. I have used this color on my eyelids today, okay, you can see. So this is what these colors looks like, and these are really little bit shimmer, not more to shimmer, okay. And then when it comes on the hat, these looks really matte in color, the brown color and the yellow one, okay. These are the colors. This is yellow, purple, the green color one, and the brick colored, as you can see, okay. And this is very beautiful colors for really, I mean, everyday makeup as well as when you are going to festival, okay. This is really a beautiful one. And okay, the next I have purchased the product is this jewel pack of the kajal, and it's cost around 310. If you buy this individually, you will get it for 180 rupees. If you buy these two duals like this, this will get 310, and offer I have purchased in the offer, I have got this for 250, I guess, okay. The second product is this one, Lakme Iconic Kajal. This is really black in color, I hope, okay. This is really beautiful shade. See how dark it is. This really pigmented, and this really beautiful color. As you can see, I have applied this on my waterline, and this is what 310 rupees, okay. And next I have purchased this Lakme Sun Expert with SPF 4 UVB PA+++, okay. And this is really beautiful one, and it comes in the universal shade. You have no shades in this, and it's cost around 230, around I mean 7 grams. For 7 grams you will get this for 230, and if you want to buy, you have to buy on sale, okay. This is what it looks like round, and you will get this kind of mirror, okay. And you will get like this plastic paper in it, and this sort of applicant to apply on your face, okay. And it has a sun, as you can see, it has some sun shape on this one, okay, as you can see right now, okay. This is what it looks like for sunburn, and when you're going out, you need to buy this because it's really helps for you to go out and you won't damage your face. And this is a good product which has a SPF in it, that is 240 PA+++, and this is cost around 230 rupees, and for 7 grams, okay. This is the outer packaging, as you can see. If you want me to make a video individual, I will also make on this. And this is the lipstick as I'm wearing right now. This is Lakme 925 weightless matte mousse lip and cheek color, but I didn't use this on my cheek today to be a simple for bridal look, okay. This is the Lakme. As I said, you will get this kind of mark on any purchase of the Lakme products, okay. It's cost around 625 rupees for 9 grams, okay. And this is in the shade Magnetic Kiss, and it has no numbers on it. This is in the shade Magenta Kiss. I'm sorry, it's not magnetic. This is Magenta Kiss, okay, as it is written on the bottom side of the lipstick. This is the liquid lipstick. This is what it looks like. This is a purpley mauve kind of a color. This is not totally pink, but it looks pink on the cam, okay. This is violet in color. This is not pink, this violet color. I mean purple and pink sort of color. Okay, this is the lipstick, liquid lipstick. Okay, this is the eyebrow pencil. This is 70 rupees for how many grams? Okay, okay, this it has no grams in it. Oh, 1.2 grams. Okay, and this cost around 70 rupees. Lakme eyebrow pencil. Okay, this is also very pigmented. Okay, as you can see, black in color. It will comes with a cap like this to protect the one pencil. Okay, I have used all the products on my makeup tutorial using only one brand makeup, Lakme. Okay, please go and check on the video. Okay, I will share every description, I mean share every link in my description box. Okay, please go and check these products if you buy if you want to buy in Nykaa. Okay, and next one, this is the Lakme aloe vera gel. Okay, this is Lakme aloe vera gel. It's cost 350 for 100 grams, and this is made in India. These all products are made in India. Okay, okay, wait, I will show you. So this is the mark. I have said you already, when you buy Lakme you will get this sort of mark on the boxes or anything. Okay, this is the Lakme aloe vera gel, and this is 100 grams for how much? For 350 rupees. Okay, you will get 250 in sale or anything, any kind of amount. I mean the amount will be reduced when you buy on the sale. Okay, this is the Lakme 925 naturally aloe aqua gel, and this is really beautiful. I have used this as a primer. This is really beautiful on your skin. I have you because my face is looking little bit dark, because is that I have didn't use any kind of primer today. I have only used this as a primer because it's moisturize your skin very beautifully. Okay, and this is if you want aloe vera you can buy from here. This is really beautiful. See, it has a beautiful packaging like green and brown sort of color. Okay, next time using the this is the Lakme Absolute Youth Infinity Skin Sculpturing Day Cream with SPF 15 PA++. Okay, as you can see, this is really beautiful cream. This is same cream as I have reviewed on my channel. This is the day cream. See, as you can see the symbol over here, Lakme has every symbol when you buy this. This is the original product. Okay, this is the outer packaging, and inner packaging is really beautiful. As you can see, this is really glossy. Okay, this is same as the Lakme Absolute Radiance cream, and this is Youth Infinity cream skin sculpturing. I mean it has a lot of collagen in it, and it's cost around 50, I mean 850 rupees for 50 grams. Okay, and this is how it looks like. Okay, as you can see, I will show you, and it's really blends into your skin with few minutes. Okay, this is really beautiful as the Lakme aqua gel. Okay, but this has more gel kind of consistency as compared to that of the Lakme Absolute Day Cream. Okay, this is beautiful one. It's really product is very beautiful, and it has nice fragrance as well. Okay, and the last thing I didn't purchase this. It have got this for free when I have purchased all the products on Nykaa, and this is the Lakme Enrich Matte Lipstick, and its cost, and this is the tester. They have written here, as you can read it here, tester. This is not the product to buy, and this is in the shade. Okay, I will tell you. So this is the mark. So when you are buying the Lakme products, you need to check the mark on it. So this is in the shade Enrichment. Okay, I don't know this shade. Wait, I will show you. I don't know. Wait, I will show you the. Actually, this has no shade, but this is BM112. The shade number is BM112 as it's written on the bottom side of the lipstick. So this is what the packaging looks like. I got the free, and this is coffee in color. So you can see the Lakme written on this. Okay. So I will show you. Okay, this is really a coffee kind of color, and this is really beautiful. I got it for free. Okay, so this is the review about the Lakme products which I have bought on the Nykaa. So if you like this video, if you want to see more hauls, Nykaa and purple hauls, please subscribe to my channel. I make a lot of makeup tutorials. If you really like this video, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, and please watch till the end. And thank you for supporting me, and thank you for watching till the end.